girl, your body don't want fix up. You're pretty fine when you wake up. Might not get my dick sucked when we link up, but fuck it, everything good. Cause girl, you are work for your income.
I'm telling you, say, it's an official audio, but there's also visuals. My girl up on a pole and spin around in a circles and be something. I mean, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. But see, right now, people, right now we have Mafi. You see me, I say this time Guyanese artist and it's a girl song. So ladies, y'all can see we in the turtleneck and thing, you know what I mean? Light work, you know what I mean? We can do it many different type of ways for the ladies. You just know, say, if you're a man, I might steal a girl. You understand me? The Rasta boy and ram from Jamaica. But anyways, we have Mafi this time. People, like up the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. We're on the road to 50k subscribers. Thank you guys for 30,000. Really appreciate it. This is a big up on yourself. Thanks to everybody who subscribes. If it's the first time over here, so welcome to the most lit channel on YouTube. You understand me? This is the #1 channel in the entire Caribbean if you didn't know. You understand me? I say. So anywhere the Caribbean are forward from, and if some American music from your Caribbean yet, island yet, drop your flag and drop a song from your place and me see if you know do it. You know me I say? Yeah man, make us see what I want for Mafi. This time right now, no. You like the video? You don't like the video? Alright, make us see what I go on then, man. Ladies. I know chop already, I think I said 40. Red tune,
Tyrekevlogs.
yeah.
This time, this time, yeah, this time, yeah.
No, hold on. Mafi start sing too now. I think me not hear you start sing. But me I see something, me see little visuals that go on. Official audio, but me see visuals. Hold on, English. It's official audio, but I see visuals. It's official audio, but I see visuals. We're going to twang for this one, people. Let's go. What? Let we go. What?
I'm ready for me to this time.
Oh wow. This time.
You know, feel. Hey, girl, your body don't want fix up. You're pretty fine when you wake up.
No, pause. I'm trying to look at the visuals when it's not a visual. I shouldn't even be looking, but it is there. I'm gonna look. You know what? Hey, girl, your body don't want fix up. Go on.
Fix up.
Yeah.
You're pretty fine when you wake up.
Okay.
Might not get my dick sucked when we link up, but fuck it, everything good.
See him, sir. Little girl. Big up to the girl that are pretty. For now, wake up. You see me I say? When you wake up in the mornings, you look beautiful same way. You understand me? You didn't have to go wash your face or put on some makeup saying you wake up beautiful. You woke up like that. You're a queen. I love you. Yes. Big up all those females who wake up looking very, very beautiful. And it doesn't matter if you beat the D or not. Miss everything would same way. And that Mafi just tell us. So basically, you don't have to beat the Johnny now. But you can do it from now and then. And go on!
Girl, you will work for your income. You get your hair and your nail done.
Independent girl.
So no little boy can't stand you. You all down big like stadium.
Go. You understand me? Big up to all of the independent females them out there. That again, Mafi, I tell the ladies them. Big up on yourself, you know. All independent females, you know. You hear me? Then dog I say, yo. You down big like stadium. Your pum down big like stadium. You know stadium big, you know how much thousands of people can hold in a stadium. You understand me? So big up to all the girls them know say them pumps down big like stadium. Give a moment of silence for them good old girl there. Big up yourself. I love you now. I love you, you know? Go on, my face!
You're a real bad bitch. Pretty little freak, no decency. Bag a man no fuck you, you're not too friendly. Me know say you want give me but 1,000 kiss. That's fine.
Did you just say a bag of man a date? Did you just say a bag of man a date? Hold on, no. But she not too friendly. Then she pretty little freak and love her decent. Hold on. Yeah, mix up a brain now. First I talk about independent girl. Hold on, go on.
You're not too friendly. Me know say you want give me but 1,000 kiss.
Fool.
You're a real bad bitch. Pretty little freak, no decency. Bag a man no fuck you, you're not too friendly. Me know say you want give me but 1,000 kids. That's fine, and this time want give you something for your enjoy. Full up a mouth when you're on the FaceTime. Come over my yard, that I know fi waste time.
Well, I'm up on FaceTime, hold on. The lyrics are now fly past me, it's like one time I get, I'm listening now. Rasta boy, go on.
That's fine, and this time want give you something for your enjoy. Full up a mouth when you're on the FaceTime. Come over my yard, that I know fi waste time. Girl, you know how fi move, You got to glow, There's something about your body that makes my dream come true. Sing, girl, you know how fi move, You got to glow, And all of your ex-boyfriend have great respect for you. Girl, your body don't want fix up. You're pretty fine when you wake up. Might not get my dick sucked when we link up, but fuck it, everything good. Cause girl, you are work for your income.
I'm telling me, say, it's an official audio, but there's also visuals. My girl up on a pole and spin around in a circles and be something. I mean, I don't think so, I'm not gonna look. After me, you will love woman so. Me, you will love woman so. So one girl up on one pole and spin. You know, star, my bird myself. What? Me, will love see woman so. Nah. Go on.
For your income, get your hair and your nail done. Get your nail done. So now little boy can't style you. You're all done big like stadium. Some girl are animal. You're the type of girl for you get the cocky wrong. Get up in your hole and we cocky your figure. Every jaws you put on, you want me and take it off. She feel like a star. Fucking with the 1 mile bus. Then you can't think straight. Me a fuck up every thought.
You hear that? Them girl feel like a star. Just because them man like a 1 mile boss. You know them feel like a star too? When them man like a reaction. Boss! Boss! You deaf? Go on!
Oh God, me love when you're bouncing back. Pretty face, fine ways, but you're something fun. Stiff cock in your hole, you make a bag of
Hey, put up for the females them. Pretty face, you know. And fine ways, you know, but you're something fat. Pretty face and fine ways, but what? The puna shit fat. Go on!
Face fine ways, but you're something fun. Stiff cock in your hole, you make a bag of nosh. Anytime you're naked, you get me paranoid. Me fuck you and then me sing your lullaby. Pussy too tight, Mafi fuck you another time.
You're trouble now. You're trouble now. You're trouble. You want to put the girl them to sleep. You think you're easy, boy. You're not easy, you know. You're going to deal with a rash and brawling, hard ball. No egg ball, you know. And then you're going to sing her a lullaby. No, dog, get too bad. You're too assumitan, too. Assumitan. Ladies, all go on. Red tune!
And this time, I want to give you something for your enjoy. Girl, you full up a mouth when you're on the FaceTime. When you come over me yard, that enough you waste time. Girl, I don't want.
See, let me just hear what I said now. You say she full up her mouth when she up on the FaceTime. Basically, she love chat off her mouth. She chat off her mouth about how she bad. And she can go on the body see up on bad boy. And she can deal bad boy such and such way. And oh, bad boy a fear one. And nobody, is it me? Nobody can do it like she. So when you pull up at the crib, make sure you full of chat see him way. That's all I have to tell you now. That Mafi basically tell you, say, yo, she full up a chat on FaceTime. Go on.
Fix up. You're pretty fine when you wake up. Might not get me dick sucked when we link up, but fuck it, everything good. Girl, you are work for your income. You get your hair and your nail done. So now little boy can't style you. You're all done big like stadium. All done big like stadium. My girl, you not smell like bacon.
Woo! Me like what I put it just in a while ago. Mafi. Yeah, man, I don't know a chap. You big up on yourself, you know. Big up on what is? Big up on yourself, you know. No alkaline right now. Big up on yourself, but I'm checking out the reaction boss video. You understand me? If you all made it to the end of the video, please comment. Me no know. Comment the number 1. As you may say, it's the boy Tyrekevlogs for the most reactions in the right place. And I got a public interview coming on my next channel. It's called More Tyrekevlogs. That's my third channel. That's not my second. I have a third channel now. Yes, basically. If you guys are new to this information, I'm about to put forth to your ears right now. A reaction I did 3 years ago to Aisha and equal rights is now sitting at 489,000 views. Like, under a trial, and I wasn't posting on there. I just saw it out of nowhere, so I started posting over there. Now I'm going to do a public interview asking people if asking females if they would talk to males who don't eat the pums. Tune in over there, so more Tyrekevlogs. Go and go subscribe. Me done chat. Big up yourself. Do we have both for? So we have just Ty, we have Tyrekevlogs, and we have more Tyrekevlogs. I'm out.